Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we are diving deep into the incredible secrets hiding inside every single cell of your body. Yup, we're talking about the code that makes you, well, you. But before we get started, I've got a question for you. What do you think is the most powerful, most compact storage device in the entire universe? Just take a second to think about it. Got something in mind? Well, spoiler alert, you are literally full of it. We are talking about DNA, our body's amazing ultimate source code. So what even is DNA? Well, its fancy name is deoxyribonucleic acid. But really, you can just think of it as the molecular blueprint for every living thing. It's the ultimate recipe book with all the instructions for building and running you. So today, we're going to count down the top 5 most absolutely mind-blowing facts about this molecule. You ready for this? Okay, let's dive right in. Kicking off our list at number 5, it turns out your DNA is basically a super-powered hard drive. I mean, forget about the cloud. The real storage revolution is happening inside of us right now. So just how much data are we talking about? Well, get this. A single gram of DNA, which is about the weight of a paperclip, can store a whopping 700 terabytes of information. What does 700 terabytes even look like? Well, that's enough space to hold 358,000 hours of HD video. To put that in perspective, if you hit play, you'd be watching nonstop for over 40 years. And remember, you have way more than just 1 gram of DNA in your body. How crazy is that? Okay, so if we've all got this incredible hard drive, what's on it? Well, coming in at number 4 is the fact that, surprisingly, we're all storing pretty much the same information. In fact, you could pretty much say we're all twins with every single other person on the entire planet. No, really, it's true. Every single human on Earth shares 99.9% of their DNA with every other human. That means everything that makes you unique, your eye color, your sense of humor, your talent for singing in the shower, all of that is packed into this teensy tiny 0.1%. At the end of the day, we're pretty much all family. All right, let's move on to number 3. This one's about the mysterious dark matter of our genome. You see, for decades, scientists looked at this huge chunk of our DNA that didn't seem to do anything, and they actually called it junk DNA. Turns out, they were totally wrong. It is not junk at all. The part of our DNA that actually makes proteins, our genes, that's only about 1 to 2% of the whole shebang. So what's the other 98% doing? Well, scientists are now finding out that this so-called junk is actually the master controller, telling our genes when to switch on and off. It's the boss. And now for our runner-up. Fact number 2 is a very special gift passed down from one generation to the next. And it's a secret gift that you can only get from your mother. We're talking about something called mitochondrial DNA. Okay, so this is super cool. This special type of DNA is passed down only through the maternal line. That means you got it from your mom, who got it from her mom, who got it from her mom, and on and on and on. It's a direct, unbroken genetic link all the way back through history. Your own personal time machine. Sorry, Dad. And here we are, the number 1 most mind-blowing, absolutely staggering, jaw-on-the-floor facts about DNA. Are you ready for this? Get this. You are literally made of stardust spaghetti. And I mean a lot of spaghetti. Let's start small. If you could take the DNA from just a single human cell, a cell so tiny you can't even see it, and you stretched it all the way out, it would be about 6 feet long, taller than most people, from one tiny cell. Okay, but here's where it just gets completely cosmic. If you took all the DNA from all the trillions of cells in your body and laid it out end to end, that string of genetic spaghetti would stretch for over 100 billion miles. What does 100 billion miles even look like? It's long enough to stretch across our entire solar system. Not just once, but 14 times. There is literally a universe of information coiled up inside of you at this very moment. It's just truly amazing to think about. That ridiculously long cosmic scale blueprint is the foundation of everything you are. So that leaves us with one final thought. If all of that potential is written in your DNA, what will you choose to do with it? And there you have it. If you had fun on this journey into our genetic code, help our channel evolve by smashing that like button and subscribing for more.
And let us know in the comments which fact made you say, whoa. Thanks for watching.